to class. Only decaf, but that's the most important meal of the day. Coffee. Cloudy day here in Broomfield, day 2. Check this out. Like I'm the bird whisperer or something. I think I'll call him Fred. Early night last night and didn't do any editing. I was running on maybe 7 hours of sleep in the last 3 days. So needless to say, I got some well-needed rest last night. Went to my 3rd day of training today, went well, and I would say I'm back caught up on sleep, feeling good. I'm also trying to adjust from working night shift to day shift, so that's probably throwing me off a little bit. I think we got a thunderstorm rolling in. That wasn't bad rain at all, and now there's a rainbow. I don't know if it's going to show up on the camera or not.